We arrived in Bahia Tanacatita and had a pretty drunk first night on the beach. We managed somehow to get back to the boat with a flooded dinghy.
How much footage of this do you want? Jeez. I need to spray Rachel again. Come here.
It looks so weird. Here, sure. Get it in her. Spray it in her mouth. Come on. Yeah, you can. I'll aim it.
Emma, dingling nozzle. I'm gonna pump this thing. I like shooting it on her booty.
Bahia Tanacatita is an anchorage where many cruisers gather to play games on the beach. Highlight of Tanacatita is the estuary tour you can do with your dinghy. It's so shallow here.
That across the Pacific. Just needs a little.
It even has bathrooms.
Oh, we're gonna hit. Captain is drunk. Woo.
They don't call it a tequila breakfast for nothing. Wait, here's your chance. Get on.
I have to pee real fast. I was hoping you guys would stay away a little longer.
Or pee then.
Rachel is peeing in the forest. She's a jungle woman.
And chances are you're just not being aware.
No, I know you're there, and I know there's a good chance I'm going to bump you when I start to ding you. To me, it seems like an acceptable risk because I don't hurt you or bump you hard at all.
You hit me pretty hard before.
No, I don't.
Should I leave this out of the video? It's beautiful, but I'm also grumpy because I'm hungry. I hear my stomach. I've never seen no alcohol. Oh, nice glasses.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Salud.
Salud.
Tastes like wood.
We made it! Food! We almost died. We were like 4 hours without food after breakfast.
Yeah, we almost had to eat you.
I don't want that. And then we went back to the beach of Tanacatita. Okay, I need a drink.
Nice. We just need the magic elixir. Tequila and Jumex.
We're wiping Rachel's now.
Huub has had an entire bottle of tequila by himself. Oh god.
No, go quick. Oh, we're doing like
this. That's how the girl gets the coconut.
Maybe we can get Rachel up there.
I'll do it when I'll do it one time when I didn't drink any alcohol. It's probably better.
Rach. The surf is small, but we're gonna see if we can
Very small.
see if we can catch some waves anyway. Waiting for some waves. Waiting for some waves. Come on, wave, take me to shore. Yes. Whee! Aw, get up.
We're on our way to Barra de Navidad. We wanted to come in on a sail and not on a motor to keep up our reputation. It was so shallow, we went until 4.7 feet and our draft is 4.5 and almost hit bottom. What are you making?
Finishing up the French toast. Look at that French toast over there. That made you breakfast while you were flying the drone.
Nice. And here a preview into the next episode. We are trying to get to the wreck, but this is the road Google Maps says us to go.